everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you better. If not, I do hope things get well or better for you. I don't know how everybody's doing right now, but if you want to let me know in the comment section down below how you're doing, how you're getting through this whole self-isolation and quarantine, a few other things, self-isolation, quarantine, and then there's one more I can't think right now, but I hope y'all are doing well. So I received a couple boxes in the mail. I've already taken everything out of the boxes, and I just wanted to show you what came. There was no note attached to them. There was no letter attached to it to let me know who sent it. I did get 3 boxes. I got this in a box, so I don't know who sent it to me. It was just like this. So they sent me the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Moroccan Spice Palette. So I'm grateful for that. I'm excited. Let's check it out. I don't think I ever went to the stores to see this. I just wish that I knew who sent this, but I don't. They didn't put no note inside and say, hey, it was me, happy birthday, or hey, it's me, just thought I'd send you something because I noticed that you're going through some stuff or anything. Nothing. So thank you, whoever sent it. I appreciate it so much. So this is what the Fenty Beauty Moroccan palette outside looks like. It's so pretty. And it comes with a mirror. And that's the inside. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Very nice. Little pops of color. I love the glitter. I just love it. I don't know if it's glitter, metallic. What is this color? Let me see. I'm gonna swatch this one. Oh, that pretty gold. Oh, it's very light, but that's, I don't know if you can see that glitter right there. I have to see this blue one. Oh, that is so pretty, so shimmery. And then that's the pink one. So these are kind of very light, but those are nice. Those are pretty. I love it. Thank you so much. Hopefully I don't sound too depressed in this video, but I feel so out of it today. So that's the Moroccan Fenty Beauty palette. Thank you so much. I don't think I have any Fenty Beauty palettes. Is this the only one? I don't even know. But thank you so much. I got that. Then the next thing was in a ColourPop box, and it came with this little card. It says "You Grow Girl" by ColourPop, and then it said "Sorry we're late." So I don't know when they ordered it, but I got this. So I don't know if it, when it came or what. No one reached out to me and said, "Hey, did you get this stuff? Did you not get the stuff?" So it's the "Sorry we're late" XOXO ColourPop. It comes with a lipstick, and this is in the color Simon Says. Oh, they're pretty. So I guess it took longer than expected to get to me, so they gave me a free lipstick. That was nice, ColourPop. Thank you. And thank you to whoever sent this. So that was the lipstick. And then this came in the box. It says "Dream Big." So that's nice. The monochromatic palette vault. Oh, okay. I feel so weird because I've already opened all of these just because I was like, what the hell is this? I didn't order anything. Then I went to my bank account to check to make sure, like, did I put something on hold or what did I do? Maybe I did something. Maybe I was like drinking and buying stuff. I don't know. Oh, I want to try to show you. So it's all the maybe if I hold it like this. So it says "Ready for It," Orange Crush, Yellow There, Green Queen, Blue and Me, and Purple Rain. It's My Pleasure, Blue Moon, Just My Luck, Honey, Orange, You Glad, and Main Squeeze. So these are all of the monochromatic looks. Sorry about that. I thought I was filming and I wasn't, and I've been sitting here for 5 minutes. Talking to myself. I don't know what last was said, but everyone's home, so I get on a little edge. I'm a little edge because I keep looking to see who's looking and who walked into the room to stare at me. You know, anyways, everyone's home and it's a little awkward to be filming. So I think I showed you this here. I think that's where we left off, right? So let's go ahead and look at these. So Ready For It is Main Squeeze. I already had this one and I like it. This is one Jocelyn took with her, and I really, really like it because it's all like pinks and reds. Well, mostly pink, mostly reds, mostly some color, but I like this one. I really like this one. I think this was the only one I had. That's Ready For It. And then the next one is Aren't You Glad? I didn't buy any of the rest. I don't know why. Why didn't I buy any of the rest one? I don't know. That's the orange one. Maybe because by the time I wanted to go buy them, they were like all sold out. So that's the orange one, called Orange Crush. And then we have, I gotta slide out. So we got Uh-Oh Honey, or Uh-Oh Honey. And this is the yellow one. And that's what that looks like. So do they all have that, like, I like the Palooza one in the middle. And Queen Bee, Buzzkill, they're pretty cool. I like these. Can't wait to try them. I know people were giving them like these so-so reviews. Some people said they were really good. Some people said like, yeah, I could live without them. So we'll know when I start playing with them. And then this is the Just My Luck, which I wanted to get because of Sandra being born on St. Patrick's Day and my birthday being in March. Just green was like always cool. That's Just My Luck. Then we have the Blue Moon. That's what that looks like. And why does this look like it's been swatched? I know I didn't swatch it. Maybe it's just the way it was laid in there. Yeah, it's the way they laid in there. It's not swatched. It looks swatched, but it's not swatched. So that's the Blue Moon. See how this one looks swatched? But I think it's the way it laid in. That's good. Oh, it kind of reminds me of the Jeffree Star or the Icy Bitch palette. So we got that. Oh, feels like it's not closing. Oh, there we go. And then the last one is It's My Pleasure, and it's the Purple Rain. And these are really nice. Nice because you have purples and then you have like this beige one. That's more like a beigey color to me. So that's pretty. I can't wait to try these for you guys, and I'll probably do a look, like with each video, do a different look. But yeah, these have been out for a while, so it's nice. I like that they came in this vault. So thank you again, whoever bought this for me. It comes in a vault. And I know there's more. There's like a coconut one. There's like a black and white one. There's more, and they should put those in a vault too. So that's the Dream Big. And then I received a Tarte package, again with no name inside. I couldn't tell you who's it from or who bought it. And that's this. I haven't, this is as far as I went. I didn't open it any further than that, but I just know inside the box there's nothing in there. And there's nothing in here either. And this came with Maracuja Waterproof Eye Makeup Remover Wipes. Removes waterproof eye makeup. So I got some of these. And I got a Sugar Rush Tarte Squeezy Clean Face Wash. Got that. Put these cards to the side. And then, ooh, sweet. To the side. I got the Tarte, I don't know which one this is. This is the eyeshadow palette, but it's a kit. It seems like all of these have the same colors. Which one is this? I don't know. It comes with, oh, Winter Wonder Glam. There we go. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I don't think I've seen this either. I haven't really been looking at makeup, so except one day I did. I bought a few things, which I'll go through the stuff that I bought. This is pretty. Look at it. Isn't that nice? Oh, we have some that fell off. This is kind of nice. Thank you. Whoever got me this, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. That's the outside, and then that's the back. And let's open it up. Oh, sweet. This is really pretty. So it's called the Winter Wonder Glam. It's the holiday. Comes with a big mirror. And it comes with a small Tartist eyeliner, mascara, and a brush, a double-ended brush. Look at that. Aren't those pretty? It kind of, like, everything almost looks the same to me. So let's swatch some of these shimmers. I'm gonna swatch this purple. So I'm gonna swatch this purple one right here. Oh wow, it's a lot of glitter. It's pretty. Ugh, look. Isn't that pretty? That's so pretty. Let's try another one. We'll do this. I'm gonna try to do the glitters. Oh, this one feels weird, wet. Like, once you put it down in one spot, you can't really move it. That yellow, the white one, which is good because it just came right off my finger. See? And then we'll do one more. I'll do this one here. You can feel the, see, let's, oh, right on top of the other one. Que mensa. So there's the other one right there. So these are actually really nice. I like these a lot. Thank you. Like I said, thank you to whoever sent these to me. I wish I could tell you publicly thank you or even privately thank you. But reach out to me. Let me know who you are at least. I don't have to mention you to anybody else. But that's what this came. I like this a lot. Thank you so much. This is actually very pretty. But me, the way I am, I gotta stick it back in the box. So thank you to, I don't know, maybe one person, 2 people, 3 people sent this to me. I don't know. But thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna reach out to my daughter to see if maybe one of them did it. But that's everything that I got. Thank you so much. It was just a nice surprise to go and see packages in my P.O. box. So the things that I bought, and I did break my no buy. I did buy this 3D brow tones. I got this from Ulta, Sephora. I don't remember. One of them was having a sale, maybe Ulta. So I think they had this for like $12, regular price $24. So I got this. And I bought 3 pencils. So I bought 2 NYX pencils, one for me, one for my daughter. This is in espresso, and I think I got her chocolate. These were on sale, I think $7 or $10. And then I got the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I don't own anything of Anastasia in regards to pencils. I do have those creams, but this is the first pencil, so I can't wait to try this. This is only $11, and I do go through brow product a lot, so this will go to good use. It's not like I bought something that I don't need. I do use these, so I will go through all of this very quickly. And then because I bought the 2 NYX pencils, I got this free. And this is, well, not free, complimentary. This is the I did get these from Ulta because this is Ulta Lip Coin Pouch Keychain. So let's see what's in here. Open it up. Yeah, this is from Ulta. It's kind of dusty. And it's this little pouch here. And it's inside. Oh, okay. And it comes with the NYX On the Rise Volume Mascara, little travel set, and a cute little pouch. That's cute. I bought the 2 I think the pencils were $10 or $7 or something, something like that. So it comes with this. That was nice. That's cute. You could say that I paid like $10 for this too. So that was good. That was the only thing I bought from Ulta, was these 3 items. They were on sale somehow, some way I bought that, but everything else was given to me, so I appreciate it. Thank you so much for doing that. I'm grateful for the little gifts that I got in the mail. Very nice colors. I can't wait to use them. And then I want to just thank you all for being here. I know these videos have been really quick and to the point, only because there's a lot going on. It's just to get into the mood to do these videos have been something I have to actually talk my way in. So I want to thank you all for being here. Until next time, hasta laters.